A king wanted to pick the wisest man among his subjects to be the next prime minister. So he picked 3 men and decided to put them to the ultimate test. He put these 3 men inside of one of his palace rooms. He installed a door lock that was the latest mechanical ingenuity of the time, and he told them whoever can get out first wins. 2 of the men immediately started working out complicated mathematical formulas to discover the proper lock combination. But the 3rd man, he just sat in his chair, lost in thought. Finally, without bothering to put pen to paper, he just got up, walked up to the door, turned the knob, and walked out. The door opened. It was never locked. You know, sometimes you and I overcomplicate things. We make it much harder than it really is. Have you ever went to go create a speech or presentation, and immediately you started thinking, I don't really know where to start. Shouldn't there be a middle and a conclusion? How does it go? We overcomplicate it. We get too into it and we don't realize it's actually pretty simple. You can just open the door and start talking. I want you to breathe a breath of fresh air and realize just how easy it is to create a great speech or presentation. Start by creating an awesome introduction that pulls us right in. Use a story. And then use another story for the middle, and then end with a great conclusion that you love. Guess what? Use another story. It's that easy. You just created something amazing. Keep us interested. So here's what I want you to do. Let's think of an easy, simple introduction to something. Let's say you're talking to a group about cosmetics or makeup. You can simply start with a question. Open by asking, would you rather look good or feel good? It's comical, sort of, and it gets you thinking about what's really important and what do you really want. Or let's say you're talking to a group of fitness experts. You can say, the average person in a lifetime will walk the distance equivalent to 3 times around the equator. Well, what do fit people do? How many times around the equator do they walk? And then from there you can build a routine. You can use stories or questions. See how you can open that and pull us in right away? From there, do the same with the middle. Do the same with the ending. Don't overcomplicate this. Make it enjoyable, something that we want to listen to. Just like a conversation, make a speech conversation.